Hey everyone, welcome back to Alvin's Vehicle. So today I'm gonna unbox like 7 cars that I bought on Monday, which is February 27th, 2023. So 2 color shifters, 3 Hot Wheels main lines, 1 moving parts, and a Matchbox main line. Okay, so let's open the Shelby Cobra first. Yeah, I haven't opened one of these color shifters in a while. This is my second one, I believe. There we go. Very light, to be honest. Metal bottom, a plastic top. There's a stripe. 10 spokes. Pretty nice. And then let's just open this Mini Cooper. And I got this Mini Cooper here from Matchbox to compare it to. I heard a crack there. This is not good. Okay, that's satisfying, I guess. Let's get that in there, and there we go. We tear it apart, like a bunch of it. There we go. 5 spokes, pretty nice. And they will change color, but yeah, I'm not going to do it right now. You can kind of tell from the package what color they change into. And let's compare. This Mini is definitely a bit wider. And there's a roll bar and stuff inside of it. This one's more for casual city, and this one's for rally. So pretty nice. And let's open this car that I really like. We're getting a livery. Okay. There we go. I see it. I see the car. Let's go. Let's just break it up. I bought this one only because, well, you can place Lego bricks on it. Really wanted this one for a long time. But, finally. It's got 5 spokes, metal bottom, and bricks. Look at that. Now it's flat. Yeah, not much to say about these cars because I want to make this quick. Here's the Rimac Navara. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? There we go. There's that crack. Rimac. It's got Y5s. Looks pretty nice. Front and rear light tampos. A blue base. Like I said, not much to say. And let's open the Pagani Zonda R. I got a Pagani Huayra to compare this with. Ten spokes like this normal one. It looks like the normal Zonda, but just got more aero stuff and stuff. Like this big wing and this splitter. Yeah, I do like this. This is going to be a great vehicle for Demolition Derby. I'm just not going to say much about these because this isn't a review. It's an unboxing. Ugh. Okay, here comes the moving parts now. Okay, there we go. Got it open with a bunch of package broken. Oh. I think it stuck out. Go. Got it out. It's got this rear hatch. That closes pretty well. Caffeine at the back, license plate. It looks way better than the mainline version because there's the detailed engine too. Yeah, I like this one a lot. And now let's open the last car. Ford Police Interceptor. Oop, dang it. Okay, let's open it from the other side. No biggie. It's so satisfying. There we go. It's got the 70 years decals and stuff. And it's kind of similar to this guy. Both got push bars. And kind of similar. This one's got rear detailing though, which I do like. Even the lights are kind of similar. Oh, Out of all of these cars, I most like this one just because, well, you can attach bricks to it. But if it weren't bricked, I would say the Navara or the Corvette or the Pagani. Not the Pagani, I mean. One of these two. And for speed, definitely not the Matchbox. Rimac maybe. Pagani's too low. It's out of these three. Although these two are very light, though. So, yeah, especially the Shelby. Never mind. It's these two. Okay, there we go. That's pretty much all the stuff I got to unbox. Out of a lot of these cars, only 8 of them really stood out. And they are the Audi Quattro, Dodge Charger, Tacoma Lifeguard, Chevy Van, the Datsun 510 Wagon, Nissan, Esprit, and Taco with 10. So, yeah. Okay, they have just been moved to this place on top of this giant, well, box thingy. And, yeah, we're just going to run the quarterfinals with Audi Quattro against the Dodge Charger, Taco versus Chevy, Datsun versus Nissan, and Esprit versus Taco. So let's start. Race 1. And Charger smoked the Quattro there. Race 2. And the Charger takes the win and he'll be advancing on. The Audi gets left on the top of this box while the Charger moves to that top place thingy there. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because I'm planning to have like a bunch of floors for my parking garage place, I guess. And this is technically level 1 of the parking garage of all the cars I'm racing. So now it's time for the Toyota Tacoma Lifeguard versus Chevy Van. Race 1. Ooh, a very tight race there. And Chevy Van takes the win barely. Race 2. And Chevy Van absolutely smoked that Taco, and he'll be moving on. Chevy Van moves on to face the Charger, and now it's time for the Datsun versus Nissan. Old Nissan versus new Nissan, pretty much. Race 1. The Datsun pulls out ahead. Race 2. Ooh, the Nissan pulled a really close one. I think he took the win. Yep, he did, and now we're going to have to go to race 3. Race 3. And yep, the Datsun takes the win and he'll be moving on. Datsun moves on to the top, and now it's time for the Esprit and the Taco. Let's see who will fight against the Datsun and join the semifinals. Race 1. A very tight race there. I think the Esprit took that one, and this is the parking space for all the cars that are moving on. I just need to review the BMW M4, and then we're all set there. Race 2. And yeah, the Esprit took that one definitely, and he's moving on. Looks like both of the Tacos are out. One Hot Wheels is out, 3 Matchbox out, and now there's only 2 Hot Wheels and 2 Matchbox left. And they're battling each other in the semifinals. I hope you enjoyed your stay. Next time I'm going to be reviewing the BMW M4 Cabrio, and bye. Yes, that's pretty much what I think I should say. Bye. Oh yeah, I did a bunch of modding to these vehicles over here. One of them looks really, really long now. Oh, I just knocked something over. Look at this guy. And look at these. Okay, yeah, never mind. To be honest, never mind. Just bye.